Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, we are going to look at how to download Heyday on your device. The process is pretty similar for both iOS and Android, so without further ado, let's get started. On your device, go to its store. Now depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar of your store, type in Heyday. You should see the Heyday game by Supercell pop right up. Here you can tap on the app icon to view its detail and read about its feature. Or you can just tap on the install button right beside it to install it into your device. So go ahead and tap on install or get depending on your device. And that's it for today's video. If you face any confusion or have any question, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful to you. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.